Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to introduce you guys our newest version of the 10.25 navigation system for 2018 or 2016 whole series of GLA, GLC and C class. This car is 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the hardware specification of the system as well. This system comes with 4GB of the RAM and 64GB of the storage memory. It also comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it supports 4G LTE. What that means is if you have an extra SIM card, you can insert to the unit and then you can access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot. You can access to the internet anywhere, anytime. And this system, of course, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot of your cell phone. The GPS is off now. You do not need to connect any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. And this system also comes with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well. It's also fully compatible with the original camera, original 360-degree camera, and original knob here. You can also use this knob. Use this knob to control the screen. You can see that's very nice. You can also change the color here, depends on your personal preference. Okay, let's talk about the navigation first. This is the navigation. How to use the navigation? Just click on the bottom right corner here, and then new road address. You can just enter the address here. Follow the instruction on the screen. Pull down a little bit from the top. You can see the home button here, and then you can go back to the home menu. And then this one is the apps. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can access to the Google Map. You can go to the internet browser here. You can access to the YouTube. This is the YouTube here. You can also go to the Netflix. If you have the Netflix account, you can also watch the Netflix as well. And you can also watch the movie here. Okay.
I'm dealing with the future of the planet.
Perfect. Other than that, this system also supports the original backup camera too. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, and then go to reverse. This car comes with a 360-degree camera, so you can everything is fully compatible as well. I'm gonna show you one thing. This system does not come with the amplifier. How they produce the sound, you need to go through the original USB channel. Okay, how to do that? You need to go to NTG menu. First of all, in the package you come with a USB AU auxiliary adapter. Okay, depends on which USB you connect to. If you connect to the USB 1, then you can connect to here. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay, go to NTG menu, is go back to the original menu. This system is fully compatible with the original menu here. Everything is fully compatible. You won't lose any of the original feature. Okay, but when you use the system, you need to go to, if you connect to the USB 1 in the armrest, then you need to choose the media interface 1. When you see this menu, it means the USB AUX adapter has been activated and recognized by the system. Then you can click on the screen, and then you can play the music here. Okay, perfect. Everything is fully compatible here. Okay, so basically you can also download any application to the system as well. You can also go to the Google App Store here, and then you can download the software. It also support the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. For example, Android Auto is right here. It also support the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, how to use the Android Auto? Then you can just go to the telephone here, and then you can just connect to the cell phone. Bring out your cell phone here. Okay, Bluetooth, and then connect to the Bluetooth here. Connect, enter the password. Once you connect to the password, then you can go here. You can use the C-Link, okay, and then grant authorization on the system. Use CarPlay. Perfect. Okay. You can see that it's very nice. It also comes the wireless Apple CarPlay. It also comes the Siri here. How to use the Siri for the voice control. Just hold the bottom left corner here. What's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 29 degrees, and the low will be 20.
Perfect. As you can see, it's done. If you want to go back, then just click on car and then you will go back here, okay? And then now I'm gonna show you how to set up the system, okay? There's a couple settings here. When you go to click on the setting, and then you can see the camera selection here. If your car comes with the OEM camera, then you can use the OEM camera. If you install the aftermarket camera, then you can choose the aftermarket camera here. The brightness, you can change the brightness here, okay? And then other than that, you can just go to the factory, enter the password 1314, and then you can change the setting right here, okay? So basically, this system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.